Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, funded BTC, and a Lightning-compatible wallet installed. Open the app and complete any onboarding, accept required permissions. Once done, locate the Lightning tab or account within the wallet and tap to create or activate a Lightning wallet. Make sure to write down and safely store the seed phrase now. This protects funds if you reinstall. You're now ready to move from setup into generating a usable Lightning address or invoice. You'll proceed to create or fund a Lightning channel so the wallet can send and receive. If using a non-custodial app, choose Open Channel and send a small on-chain amount to the channel. Lightweight wallets may auto-manage this. If you prefer speed, use a custodial or hybrid wallet to skip channel management. Once the channel funds confirm and the balance is allocated, the wallet syncs network routes and shows available Lightning balance. Allow a few confirmations if needed. You finish by generating a Lightning receive address. Open Receive, pick Invoice or LNURL, enter amount and memo, then generate. Copy the payment string or show the QR code to the payer. Once paid, the wallet will settle instantly if routes exist. Monitor for confirmations. If a payment fails, check your channel balance, internet and peer connectivity, and invoice expiry or fee limits. If problems persist, restart the app, resync channels, or consult wallet logs to identify routing or balance issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.